So I've got myself about a pound and a half of fresh whole wings here. And so all together, just counting them out, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total wings. And I'm going to season them up with some Old Bay seasoning and some lemon pepper seasoning. Nothing in this video is sponsored, but I like the combination of the Old Bay and the lemon pepper since I've been using those together. So I'm going to go ahead and get these seasoned up. So I got things all seasoned up here, and now I'm going to go ahead and take them, put them into the air fry basket. Got them all in the air fry basket there with the bake pan underneath. Going to put these in. Going to use the middle rack level. Don't want those tips and such, you know, hitting anything up high there. So we're going to close on up, and now we're going to take the cooker on down. Well, we can actually use the air fry button. Why not? We'll keep it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I guess I could use the wing setting. I don't think it's going to do anything any differently. But 450 is likely for like frozen wings, I'm suspecting. I could do them at 450, but I'm going to go ahead and bring them down to 400. Why did it switch to air fry fries? Let's hit that again, that air fry button. And let's see. So yeah, we'll leave it there. Well, wait, let's get down to wings. We wanted to get wings. And we'll leave it at 400. And then just hitting, alright, so we got it locked in on wings. And I could do 30 minutes. You know, it might take 30 minutes. It might take 45. I'm going to leave it at 45. I'm going to let them run maybe 20 minutes like this. Then maybe flip things over so that we get a real even crisp on both sides, since that bake pan may impede the airflow a little bit. And maybe they won't be done by then, but you never know with Cuisinarts. They could be done by then. We'll see. But no preheat. Just hitting start, letting things go, and I'll bring you on back. So 20 minutes have passed. I'm going to go in and check how things are doing. And I didn't want to use a long-running meat thermometer, meat probe, because I'm not highly concerned about getting like some dogmatic 165. I know for some people they're real dogmatic about 165, you know. But for me, getting things nice and crispy is cool too. So 20 minutes and we're done. I mean, everything is real hot, so we're good. And things look pretty crisp. So that's pretty good. No preheat. 20 minutes, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That is a good deal to me. So I'm going to go ahead and just get them on off. I didn't flip anything, you know, I just left them in there 20 minutes straight. And it seems like the backside, you know, the backsides don't look raw. Let me show you the backside of that one. Doesn't look like, you know, raw or anything. It's well cooked on both sides. I mean, this one here, the backside of this one, I mean, you know, no flip, and it's got some good crispness on both sides. So pretty good deal, no flipping. And both sides of the chicken turns out pretty nice. So gonna get these 4 out the back, and you can see this side of that one in the back. Wow, I don't think you need to flip. I think they turn out pretty decent without a flip. That's not too bad. That's not bad at all. No need, no hassles. Look at that one. That one looks like it was flipped over when it wasn't. That's pretty good. Get this last one here. So there we go, all 8 out. I'm going to let them just kind of cool down just for a quick moment, but I'm going to just take this one here, set it on this plate, and when I bring it back, it'll be to taste, whoops, it'll be to taste test this one. So thank God for some quickly cooked fresh wings, and just going to go ahead and bite into this one and do a taste. So things turned out nice. The inside is very moist, even though the outside is crisp, because they cooked up so fast. So the inside still has moisture, but the outside's crisp, and you see the temperature is very hot, but things are still moist inside while crisp outside. And that turned out really well, really quick, no preheat necessary. Cuisinart knocks things out like that on that air fry setting. So there you go. And so I hope that you did like this. In the video description, lots of ways to help the channel. Things like my cookbook, things like the link to my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com, where you can get lots of recipes there. Also, there are things like links to shop to buy the cooker with a referral link, pay the same price, help the channel, donations, merch, all that good stuff. And so, with all of that said, if you did like the video, and also in the video description there's a link to the printable version of this recipe as well. And if you did like the video, as I was saying, please give the video a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.